backstory on this was that, we'll see in the presentation, that the trader did not think what we were presenting applied to them, okay? They were listening to it, but they weren't hearing it, in a sense, okay? So you're going to see how it ends up in a quote, what they said. So what they noticed in their submission was, I don't follow my rules, but I thought I was, okay? So, but if I do, it works. Oh, what an aha moment, okay? So, so what happened was, they got their checklist together, they built the high performance skills in the brain, okay, using the tools we have, and they did a trade review checklist. So what they say? Well, I'm so happy with the checklist and the results. All of a sudden it works. Where before it was working. I'm going to show you physically the shift in the results. Because what they did, they set up an Excel spreadsheet in alignment with their underlying strengths. So we looked at their Kolbe result and said, you're actually a systemized guy. Turn it into a system. And you're going to watch the system in a minute. You go, oh my God, look how the system shows him the answer. That's because they're a systemized person. So it said, use your strength and turn your process into a system. So what did they do? Well, once I created the watch list, it was one sitting. Then I did the analysis. That was a second sitting. See how they broke down, they chunked the work. Okay. Then did the trading. That was the third sitting. I didn't even need 30 minutes. Did you guys just see that? I didn't even need 30 minutes. So we said, systemize your process. There's a lot of numbers here, but I've circled the bits that matter. Okay, and I've circled what shows the process that less is more. So what they did, they created their watch list and identified all the trending currency pairs. Okay, oh, hang on, there's 25 trending currency pairs. Okay, but then they added the filter that said, when you apply my checklist, so the trend continuation checklist in this case, we said focus on one thing, so they focused on trend continuation. So once they applied that, they got yeses and no to take the trade. So all of a sudden, from the 25 potentials, trending trades, look at this. This is their own work, right? They built this sheet that there's only 7 trades to take. And out of those 7 trades, look at this. 3 of them actually are strong trades. So only take the 3. Okay, and we're going to see the end result of this. So there it is. Remember we said often that people are taking 3 to 6 trades and they're getting those results. Well, there it is. Okay, you don't force it. Your own data will show you the numbers, and there it is in action with their own Excel spreadsheet, because we said become a systemized person, turn it into an Excel spreadsheet, and there it is. And they themselves are going, wow, this is so easy for me to trade because it's doing all the calculations. I built my checklist into here. I built my parameters into here, and then I get the solutions. And there it is. Strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. 3 trades. Okay? And it's their rules. What it was, we took control of the human unreliability and put it into an Excel spreadsheet and made him consistent. And watch the difference. Okay, here it is. Look at the line. So here we can see up the top before he did this, okay, 1 winning trade, 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Look at all the missed trades. Then when they look at this, they go, oh, I missed 5 winning trades amongst that because I was cutting all my trades short. Now look, ever since they applied the process, 3 winning trades in a row. So you see, look at the difference in consistency. Look at the consistency. His comment was, how do you put up with us? I heard you say it repeatedly, and I did not think it applied to me. This is common.